sedation on mother-son cycle. Okay. Clinical example, yung mother and son cycle. Yung patient is, we have a patient here, a female, 34 years old, okay? A highly qualified doctor had two major problems, insomnia and migraine headaches. Since her teenage days, she had suffered from insomnia following late nights and intensive periods of studying for school examinations. When the exams were over, she could not get back to her normal sleeping times. Initially, as the examinations were only once during each term, her insomnia became worse in this period. But when she entered medical college, she had to study much harder and later into the night, and her insomnia worsened and became a permanent problem. Now, she was a senior doctor with no more examinations to pass, but she still had a cyclical form of sleep problems. Okay? Her sleep was generally superficial and disturbed, but it would gradually worsen into completely sleepless nights, walang tulog. At the worst of this time, she would get her migraine headache. The pain started at the point of gallbladder 14 on the right side, and within 30 minutes, it would spread to the whole head. Okay? She described it as a million needles pricking her all around. She became very restless and agitated with a headache, and no medication helped. The last helpful treatment had been her morphine injection, which would gradually ease the pain and she would fall into a deep sleep. Her sleep pattern, but only after 4 to 5 days, the whole cycle would be repeated again. Okay? So paulit-ulit na. When this patient pumunta dun sa author, she had been having migraines about twice a month, had given up her job, and was looking for a cure in Asia. So, tinreach siya noong author during her migraine headache and then realized that it was best to treat her during the interval period and not at the worst time. So, this patient's basic problem was insomnia. Years of less sleep and intensive mental work had used up her heartine. This heartine deficiency has resulted in a chronic yang dominant state that caused the insomnia and mental restlessness. So yung insomnia is naging worse, the heart yang rose. Okay? The excess heart yang blocked the liver and gallbladder energies from flowing through, nag-flow na. The result was a gallbladder yang excess headache following severe insomnia. So dito po yung tower diagram, yun ang nanggaling sa heart, naging chronic disturbed sleep, mas mataas yung yang sa yin. And then naging insomnia, naging worse, tumaas lalo yung yang, deficient yung yin. And then yung heart and small intestine, mataas, sumobra yung yang, nag-deficient yung heart, okay, yung yin. Okay, ito po yung, ito yung drawing naman sa excess in yang. The excess in son organ causes excess in mother organ. So kapag po yung excess yung organ na son, katulad dito sa diagram natin, sa graph na natin, drawing, ang son ay wood, mother ng wood ay fire. So nag-excess siya, nagkaroon din ng excess yung mother organ na apektuhan po. Okay? So let's go to the treatment. So concentrate on treating insomnia, tranquilizing points such as DU20, gallbladder. Ito po yung governing vessel 20, PC6, extra points Anmian, UB62. Tingnan na lang po natin sa Google kung nasaan po yung points sa graph o sa natin sa map ng acupuncture point, but not heart 7 as it is also the sedation point of heart and we have a yin deficiency. Okay, point heart 5 or the low connecting point of the heart is the best point here as it tonifies the heart yin but also sedates heart yang, so it prevents heart yang rising. Okay, GB14 as local point where the headache begins, and GB20 as symptomatic point for headache. Okay, so they started the treatment after the end of the migraine when she was sleeping well. Treatment was given in the evening daily for a period of 5 to 6 days. Then they stopped for a few days and restarted when the sleep pattern became disturbed. After treating daily for 3 to 4 days, insomnia was again better. Then they had a break in the next treatment and restarted when the sleep became disturbed again. And then they repeat the several times over the next 2 months and thus broke the cyclical pattern of insomnia. She never got her migraine again. Gumaling na rin. In this way, they cured the migraine without actually treating the migraine. This shows that by treating the excess in the son organ, we could prevent an excess state in the mother organ. Intindihin na lang po natin, okay? So, when an organ has a yin deficiency, its yang is not controlled well and has a tendency to rise easily. If we now tonify the yin of the heart or the liver using points heart 9 or liver 8, the yin of these organs will improve. Okay, explanation po. But the yang will also increase. It may be only a slight increase, but enough to cause the yang excess symptom of worse insomnia or conjunctivitis, as the case may be. Okay? In fact, this is why the mother points are called the best tonification points of an organ because they tonify both the yin and the yang aspects. Okay? When you wish to tonify the yin aspect only without the complication of yang rising, it may be better to use the house element point or the orary point or the point belonging to its own element. So sa cases sa taas, point heart 8 or liver 1, yun yung ginamit. The same applies to the sedation points on the mother-son cycle. Sedation of liver 2 is sedation of liver yin and yang. In fact, more sedation of yin than of the yang. When we use liver 2 for sedating the yang of the liver, we must remember that the liver yin will go down considerably and if we can afford this to happen, okay?